All right, we're back at it with another very exciting Go High Level tutorial. We're going to build out an automatic video testimonial collection page. Let's jump into it. This is a new high level feature, and I'm so excited because I used to use a third-party software for this. Now we can do it all in-house. From our reputation page, we need to come into this new video testimonial section right here. You can see it says new, and they've got this nice quick start guide, very easy. So first thing we need to do is create a collector. Now what I love is we can have multiple video testimonial collectors here. This means that I can send a specific one out to the people that I do coaching for. There are companies that pay me to do coaching. I can have a separate one for those larger companies. Then I have people who buy my products. I can have certain ones for different products, right? Guys, this is great because now we can easily collect testimonials that are specific to an actual product, literally all on autopilot. This is game changing, but let's get into building this thing out. So from this page, we're just going to click create a collector. So we're going to go ahead and open this collector builder here. Very easy. It might look a little confusing, but I promise you it's not. First thing I like to do is start with the logo and the colors. Now, do keep in mind the logo has to be a very small file size. So it says 16 by 16 pixels. So we're going to go ahead and I'm just going to grab this logo of mine here. You'll see it's going to refresh on the preview, which is awesome. Colors. I want to make sure I get my actual brand colors in. So I'm just going to pop open the color selector. I'm going to put in my color code. Secondary color being gray is fine. So now we can see I've got my color and I've got my logo. So that looks great. Now let's go back to our welcome page here. So this is the page where we're going to send people to collect testimonials. So your headline is obviously going to be important. This is your chief or your primary call to action. So I'm going to put in here, share your experience working with Mark. Now, like I said, I'm going to have different collectors based on different products, different services, so this headline will change, right? If this was like for my Meta Ads course, I'd say, tell me what you think about my Meta Ads course. Tell me what you think about my funnel course, etc. But we're going to go ahead and go with this for now. This spokesperson, so you could have like a video here or an image here or like a video kind of welcoming people or thanking them for taking the time. I'm going to turn this off for now. I haven't used this in the past. This is going to be your company name primarily, your contact info. I'm not even going to put my email in here. I don't really think there's a need for that. Why record? Your feedback helps us grow and inspires others to join our journey. No downloads needed. Just hit record and share your story. So that's the default. I'm going to go ahead and customize that a little bit here. So I've changed this to just hit record, share your thoughts, and you're done. Your feedback means a lot to me. I've made it super easy to share. Just hit the button below, record your honest thoughts and feedback, and you're done. This is because a lot of times the friction point with video testimonials is that people then have to like download it, send it back to you, or email it to you, whatever it is. And it just kind of seems like a bigger task than it actually is. This removes that major friction point, and it's just going to automatically be uploaded to my GoHighLevel. So now that that's complete, welcome message. Let's see, share your thoughts with a quick video. That should be fine. So we'll go ahead now to questions page. So this is really cool because right here we actually have prompts on the page. So when someone's filming their video, they can actually be prompted with the prompts that we would like to direct them towards. So you're no longer going to get these video testimonials of people just kind of blanking, not knowing what to say, repeating themselves over and over again. You can just lay out 3 clear prompts that they can work off of. So here's the 3 questions I chose. Why did you choose to work with Mark? What has been the best part about working with Mark? Would you recommend working with Mark to others? So these are great. Attribution page. Then here on the attribution page is basically just allowing the person that submitted the testimonial to say who they are. Now, I do wish you could customize this a little bit. Like, I don't really think that we need the phone number. And in my opinion, it's going to be a little bit more of a deterrent, but it's fine at this point. We've already collected the testimonial, so we'll leave it in here and hope that GHL adds some more customization here. So I just put thanks so much. Just let me know your info below. So, and I should have this actually say so I know who you are. We need your info. I need your info to know who responded. And then here's our final thank you page. we'll just change this to all set. Thank you for taking the time to respond. And then we'll change that to I truly appreciate it. And I'm going to update my email. Beautiful. And I'm going to name this one MM Coaching. This will be for my coaching students. So we'll go ahead and we'll save that. And now we have our thing right here. So we can click to copy the link to view responses. We can edit it. So we'll see here if I go ahead and I copy the link right here, it's going to open this right up. If I click let's go, it's going to let them know, pick a quiet, well-lit spot, hold the camera at eye level, relax and be yourself. We'll go ahead and we'll click record. And as you can see, what's really cool here is it just opens up right here. This, of course, works on your iPhone as well. So people can go ahead and just record. So if I say, I'll do a little countdown here. So I can say 3, 2, 1, testing, right? And it's going to count down. They have a maximum time limit. They'll go ahead and they'll click stop. It's going to go ahead and process. And then it's going to go on and bring them to the next section. One thing I don't necessarily love is I don't love how it breaks this up section by section. The tool we were using before just had all of the prompts and people could just go through them. So I'll test this out. I'll see which one kind of gets me better responses that are more natural. But all in all, I mean, this is an awesome tool here that is, you can literally set up in minutes. It probably would have taken me like 3 minutes if I wasn't recording a video. And you can just start sending this out and collecting testimonials. Now, if I go back to my screen here, we can see that we can here like send custom requests to contacts via SMS, email. So lots we can do here. This is a brand new feature. So like everything with HighLevel that's new, they're going to continue to improve this. So if this is the version 1.0, this is an awesome place to start, and I'm super excited about it. But if you found this video to be helpful, go ahead and give it a like. If you have any questions, drop in the description below. I've got free resources down there as well as my email if you want to reach out. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Peace.